Hello and welcome to We Share Abundance. I'm going to provide you a step-by-step guide on how to create your We Share Abundance account. Okay, so let's get started. There's actually 4 steps that you'll need to do to complete your We Share Abundance account. Step number 1 is the confirmation email. You need to check your email. You may need to check your spam folder just in case this email goes to your spam account. You may take up to maybe 5 minutes to receive the email, so you may just give it a little time and then recheck. That is step number 1. Step number 2 is fill out your profile. Once you are logged into your account and you've confirmed your email, there's a blue box that you're going to click on, which is labeled We Share Abundance. Then you're going to look for the settings and click it. You will see Profile tab. You'll need to complete this section and then save it. Step number 3 is create your secondary pin. Click on the blue box labeled We Share Abundance. Look for settings again. Click it. You will see a tab labeled secondary pin. You will need to create a 6-digit pin, then save it. There's only one more step left. That is set up your Waves wallet. I'm going to give you the instructions right here in the Getting Started section, and give you time for the video to capture this for a little bit. That way you can come back and look over the information. That is it. That is the very easy part of getting started with We Share Abundance. Now I'm going to take a few minutes and then go through each of the steps for you. After you've confirmed your email, you're going to go to step 2, fill out your profile. So right here, I talked about a blue box that you need to click on. You're going to click here. You're going to look for the settings section. It says profile. You'll need to complete this profile and then submit it. You can leave all this information as is. Then the second one is to create your secondary pin. You're already in the section settings. Here is it labeled secondary pin. This information looks like this because I've already created a pin. You're going to create your 6-digit pin, then submit. Once you have done that, the last step is to create your Waves account. What you're going to do is you're going to come back into the blue box. You're going to go into the tab right here that says WESA wallet. There's a video right here that you'll need to view. That is the easiest way I can help you, plus with the written instructions on how to create the WESA wallet. Once those 4 tasks have been completed, you will come back to the dashboard. You'll check your account to see if, like right here, email verified, reward is paid, profile completed, reward is paid. So you'll want to check those, and then check your USD wallet. Those items will show in here as being paid. This will show your current balance. If you completed all 4 tasks, you will see $2 in this account. That means you completed everything correctly. I hope this has helped you and brought some easy guidance on how to join this. And if you have any questions, please get back to the person who sponsored you. And it's very easy for us to help you. I hope that you have a great day. And I hope this has helped you getting started with We Share Abundance.